Alright, gather round web explorers. Ever wondered what makes websites tick? How those cool pictures, funky fonts, and clickable links magically appear on your screen? Well, my friends, the secret sauce is something called HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Sounds complicated? Don't sweat it. Think of HTML as the basic building blocks of any website. It's like the skeleton that holds everything together, providing structure and meaning to all the content you see online. Imagine you're building a house. You wouldn't just start throwing bricks around, right? You'd need a blueprint, a plan to tell you where everything goes. That's what HTML does for websites. It tells your web browser, Chrome, Firefox, Safari, how to display the content in an organized and understandable way. So, next time you're surfing the web, remember that behind all the flashy graphics and interactive gizmos, there's good old HTML working hard behind the scenes, making the internet awesome. Now that we know HTML is the backbone of websites, let's see how it actually works. Every HTML document follows a basic structure, kind of like a recipe. First up, we have the tag. This tells the browser, hey, this is an HTML document. It's like putting a big flashing sign that says website under construction. Inside the tag, we have two main sections, the and the. Think of the as the behind-the-scenes crew. It contains information about the web page, like the title you see in the browser tab, links to style sheets for fancy fonts and colors, and other metadata that helps search engines find your website. The tag is where the real action happens. This is where all the content that you actually see on the web page goes: text, images, videos, links, you name it. It's like the stage where the website performs for the world to see. HTML uses special codes called tags to create different elements on a web page. Tags are like instructions that tell the browser how to display the content. For example, the tag creates a big, bold heading, while the tag creates a paragraph of text. Want to add a link? Use the tag. Let's see some of these tags in action. This is a heading. This is a paragraph of text. See how easy that is? By using different tags, you can create all sorts of content and structure for your web page. Section 4, HTML, the hero of web development. So, why is HTML so important in the grand scheme of web development? Well, for starters, it's the foundation upon which all websites are built. Without HTML, you wouldn't have web pages, just a jumbled mess of text, images, and code. HTML provides the structure and meaning that allow web browsers to understand and display content correctly. It's like the language that bridges the gap between humans and machines, allowing us to share information and ideas across the vast expanse of the internet. But HTML is not just a lone wolf. It often works hand in hand with other technologies like CSS or cascading style sheets for styling and layout, and JavaScript for adding interactivity and dynamic features to websites. Section 5, Beyond the Basics. HTML doesn't stop here. We've only scratched the surface of what HTML can do. There are tons of other tags and attributes you can use to create tables, forms, embed multimedia content, and much more. The beauty of HTML is that it's constantly evolving, with new features and capabilities being added all the time. But don't worry, the basic principles we've covered here will always remain the same. As you delve deeper into the world of web development, you'll discover the incredible versatility and power of HTML. From simple personal websites to complex web applications, HTML is the unsung hero that makes it all possible. Section 6, Ready, Set, Code. Your HTML journey begins. So, there you have it. We've journeyed through the wonderful world of HTML, from its basic structure to its importance in web development. Remember, learning HTML is like learning any new language. It takes practice and patience. But the good news is that it's easier than you might think. With just a few basic tags, you can start creating your own web pages and sharing your ideas with the world. So what are you waiting for? Open up a text editor, start typing some HTML, and unleash your inner web developer. The internet awaits your creations.